Let us know how to remember the element with atomic number 51. The element is antimony. And for 51, the image that I am asking to imagine, 5 means S, 1 means L. Seal, S-E-A-L. And for element antimony, imagine a living thing, an ant. So story behind them. You have a certificate and you did a true copy. A seal of college principal is there. And you are seeing the certificate that one ant is walking on a seal. That visualization you have to do. Seal, ant. 51, antimony. Element with atomic number 52 is tellurium. For 52, our non-living imagination is sand, a beach sand you can consider. And for tellurium, imagination is a tail, a body part of the animal. Now the story. You were wandering on a beach and you noted there was something, actually it was a dog, put his head in the one kind of the architecture prepared or the holes prepared by the kids. And you could able to see his wagging tail. So wagging tail, sand. The element with atomic number 53 is iodine. For 53 I am considering SIM. That's a SIM card that we use in the mobile. And for iodine, the famous element as iodine only. Now the story. You found one SIM card, it was rusted. In order to clean that, you exposed that SIM card to iodine vapors. Purple colored iodine vapors are striking on the SIM card. Next, the element with atomic number 54 is xenon. For 54, imagine swift. And for xenon, imagine zebra. So story, you were watching a car race and you surprised to find one swift car was there, and that swift car, who was the driver? Zebra. Zebra was driving that swift car. Visualize that you are going to observe. Zebra is going to drive swift car. Element with atomic number 55 is caesium. For 55, imagine swastik. And for caesium, Roman ancient emperor Caesar. Now the story. One time you found one rangoli at your college, and in that rangoli a swastik, a sign of good omen, and behind that Roman emperor Caesar. A surprising combination you have found in that rangoli competition. The element with atomic number 56 is beryllium. For 56, image is a sack. One side bag remain, that's called sack. And for barium, our imagination is berries. Now the story. You're walking on the road and you were with the sack. You finish your college, and after completion of the college schedule, you're going to home. And you saw in fruit shop berries. You felt to purchase those berries. You went to that fruit shop, you purchased the berries and you put those berries in your sack. Element 56 means sack and element is beryllium. Element with atomic number 57 is lanthanum. And for 57, image is ST, state transport. And for lanthanum, image is lamp. Now you have to prepare story of lamp and the ST. One time when you wanted to go to other place, you entered in the ST. Surprisingly, what you noted? Who was driving the ST? Lamp was driving the ST. So element with atomic number 57 is lanthanum. The element with atomic number 58 is cerium. For 58, our imagination is sabja, the seeds that we use in the juice or sharbat. And for cerium, imagine a CEO of big brand company. So story, you are going to offer a juice to CEO with sabja seeds in it. So element with atomic number 58 is cerium. The element with atomic number 59 is Praseodymium. For 59, imagination is signature, autograph that we say, no? And for Praseodymium, imagination is the famous Indian actor Pran. So at your place one time shooting was going on and Pran was there in the shooting. After completion of shooting, you went to the Pran and asked his autograph, signature Pran. The element with atomic number 60 is neodymium. For 60, imagination is a coke. And for neodymium, imagination is Newton. Actually, I wanted to say Newton, but in spite of Newton, I am saying Newton because element is neodymium. Now the story. Surprisingly, in the advertisement of Coke, you noted that from the days of Newton, the drink preferred is Coke. Newton, that's Newton, is drinking Coke. Newton, Coke. So element with atomic number 60 is neodymium. Is it clear?